Hi, I'm Kevin Coy, and I just wanted to show you my micro homestead that I've been designing with my son Travis. We've got this building that we're prototyping right here. It's actually built so we can knock it down in sections. These are 4x8 sections that screw together. We got a little connection system we designed, and the roof comes off in two pieces, and it's a metal top roof that gives us a little bit of extra room for a loft for sleeping. And we've got this metal roof right here is our porch, and it's on hooks, and so you can actually swing it down flat against the building for security and padlock it shut if you want to, and then flip it back up, and it gives you a little bit more outside space here between the two buildings. And I'll show you what's going on inside. So inside we've got, this is 64 square feet of floor space, and we've got some different elements that we're still playing with in here, but one of them is we've got a solar power setup. We've got two batteries right here. This one's currently charging off the solar panel outside, and then we'll switch over to the other one as necessary. But right now that gives me the ability to power a light, and I've got a fan right here, which also works in conjunction with a bag of ice in this cooler to create an air conditioner. So we get some climate control in here. And then there's a couple of fold-up camp chairs for a couple people to sit in here. I've got a heater right here for fall. I've got a sawdust toilet, so we've got a way to use the facilities. And I've roughed in a little bit of a counter here. I've got a little bathroom sink, and it's set up so that I can pull water with this pump off that jug back there, and then it'll run in here and then into this bucket where we can take it outside. Eventually, we're still working on a design for a loft right up here for a sleeping area. We're still putting that together. But if you can kind of see the construction here, these two pieces are framed up separately, and then we set them together, and the metal overlaps, and then we screw them down so that they attach to the building, and then the walls attach together and overlap. And so it's a really lightweight frame. We've just taken 2x material and ripped it so that it goes all the way around the sheet, and then overlapping with this so that we lock them together. And you can put this thing together in about 30 minutes if you got two people handy. I put it together by myself, except for the roof takes two people to set the pieces up. So this is in conjunction with another piece that we designed, which is this little barn. And the barn is actually 4x8, and it'll fit between the wheel wells of a standard size pickup. So you can actually set this thing up in the truck and carry it away. So you can move that onto a site and move this building, which all folds down and goes on top of the truck, and everything will fit. And so then one of the other elements, so we've got this Homestead effect, and Travis can show you the solar panels here that are feeding the batteries. And then I've also got, I'm going to have a water catchment that I'm designing, and right now this is got a valve on it, and I can hang this on the wall and run the water off the roof into this, and this will hold about almost 6 gallons of water. And then over here I've got part of my Homestead food production system, which is this rabbitry. I've got 3 does and a buck right here, and they hang on the back side of the barn, and then all the feed and bedding and different things that we need for our homesteading goes on, and we've got it inside. And then we've got some garden area here, so you can literally set this up. It's probably, you know, about under $400 for that building, and probably close to the same for this one, and have yourself a mini homestead.